Hi there Makeup Addicts, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Sarah and today I'm just going to show you this rose gold-ish eyeshadow look that I did with my Natasha Denona Sunset Palette. Hi everyone, thanks for watching. If you saw my unboxing and full first impressions review of the Natasha Denona Sunset Palette the other week, you'll have heard me say that this left-hand column of eyeshadows was really talking to me on a rose gold level. So I really just wanted to use this video to dive in to those shades and see what we could achieve. Of course, you've already seen it at the top of the video, but either way, let's go through what I did to achieve that look. So the first thing that I did, of course, was prime my eyelids. This time I used the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot, pop that on with a brush and then smooth it out with my trusty beauty blender. Then the first colour I went in with was actually the darkest, so I went in with Volcano first on a MAC 221 brush. I really like this brush because it's really thin, but it's still really quite fluffy and soft, so it allows you to do some really nice blending, makes those darker colours a little less daunting. So I just nestled this brush into the socket of my eye and just followed that eye shape just to create a nice blown out look, just blending in soft circular motions and windscreen wiper motions, just give you that blend towards the top. I then went on and just threw a bit more on because I wanted to just darken it up a bit. The more you blend it out, the more you lose, and that's fine. So I just added some more colour to make sure that we had good coverage through the crease. Then the next thing I did was took a more densely packed brush, so I took a MAC 239 brush and the shade Bermuda. This is like the palest shade in the palette, that off-white towards the pink side of things shade. Really nice colour, absolutely brilliant coverage, and I just put that over my lid in the middle 2/3 of my eyelid and then smoothed that out with the old brush that we were using, that MAC 221. And you could totally leave it here if you like the matte look, but for me, I wanted the shimmer. So I took a 239 and with it dry, took the shade Bermuda and just patted that on my eyelid. It does pretty well, to be fair, on a brush, but I just wanted to use my fingers to give that a try. That went on great too, and then I tried dampening my brush and using it that way, and that did really well too. Overall, just a really nice shimmer consistency that you could use any way that you want. Then using that 239 brush, I just very gently pat around the edges just to diffuse that shimmer shade. Then it was time to put something on my lower lash line. So on this small unmarked Charles Fox brush that I've got, I took Bermuda and just ran that across the entire lower lash line, followed by Volcano, which I just put in the outer half. Then I wanted to add some liner, and I totally ended up in a situation where the liner just got thicker and thicker and thicker in the attempt to get a straight line, but you know, it looked fine in the end. This probably could have done with some lashes, but after some mascara, that was this look done. If you've made it to the end of the video, thanks so much for watching, I really appreciate it. If you liked it, go ahead and hit the like button, that really helps out a small channel like mine. And if you like my content, you might consider subscribing. I'd love to have you in the family. I hope you're keeping safe and well wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Spoiler alert for everyone who made it this far down the video. At the time of recording, we are on 295 amazing subscribers. However, when I get to 500, I'm going to do a giveaway, so make sure you subscribe for that. Bye for now.